Hey guys, welcome back to Tenorshare channel. You can probably tell my iPhone is stuck on the update progress bar. This happened after I tried to update to iOS 26.3. And honestly, this isn't even the first time I've run into this problem. But thank God, I actually know how to fix it now. So today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. Whether your iPhone is frozen or completely unresponsive, force restart should always be your first step. It's free, simple, and it fixes most issues. Here's how to do it. Quickly press volume up, then volume down. Then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once you see the logo, your iPhone will force restart and you're done. This method works on iPhone 8 all the way up to the latest models. But if your side button isn't responding at all, don't worry. Let's move on to the next method. Method 2. Restore your iPhone using iTunes. If a force restart still doesn't fix it, then your iOS firmware is probably corrupted. At this point, you can try fixing it with iTunes or Finder. Here's how it works. First, connect your iPhone to your computer. Then quickly press volume up, volume down, and hold the side button until your iPhone enters recovery mode. Once you're in recovery mode, open iTunes on your computer. You'll see a prompt asking whether you want to update or restore your iPhone. If you choose Restore, it will reinstall iOS and keep your current version, but all your data will be erased. If you choose Update, your data stays, but your iPhone will be updated to the latest iOS version. So the question is there a way to keep your iOS version and your data? Yes, there actually is. Method 3. Fix iPhone with ReiBoot. ReiBoot is a professional iOS repair tool trusted by millions of users worldwide. It can fix over 150 iOS system issues. It also provides one-click backup and restore, so your data is safe. I've put the download link in the description. Here's exactly what you need to do. First, connect your iPhone to your computer. Then open ReiBoot. In the bottom left corner, you'll see the option to enter recovery mode with one click. Tap that. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, click Start Repair. Choose Standard Repair, and then click Download to get the iOS firmware package. After the download finishes, click Start Standard Repair. When it's done, your iPhone will automatically restart. Everything should be back to normal, and no data will be lost. Now, if Standard Repair still doesn't fix the issue, you can try Deep Repair. But keep in mind, Deep Repair will erase all your data, so only use it as a last resort. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be sharing more handy tricks to solve those annoying iPhone issues with you guys soon. See you next one.